Hello guys and welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create the Luma fade transition in Premiere Pro. It helps if they have something similar in nature. For example, in this video here I have eyes in this video and I have both also eyes showing in this video. Now you need to go to your first clip and choose the point where you want the Luma fade transition to occur. Then take your second clip and drag it above your first clip so it overlaps like this. Now go to your effects tab and search gradient wipe and drag this effect onto the top clip that you have brought in. Now move over to your preview window and make sure that you are at the start of your preview window. Now in your effects control tab, you want to move down to gradient wipe. You go over to your transition complete and you toggle on animation and you change the value from 0 to 100. Then you move forward a few seconds and you change the value back to 0. And this is it guys. I hope you found this tutorial very useful. If you did, don't forget to subscribe and leave a feedback in the comment section. See you guys tomorrow in my next video.